What's up and welcome back to the Craft Mansion. So this video is a little bit different. It's the first vlog for the Craft Mansion. I'm going to arrange my workshop and start working in another room. So this video will show you through the whole process. It's a vlog, so you would be coming with me to the different shops and you can see where I'm going and how I'm planning the room. So let's start the video with the usual intro. I thought I'd start out this video by showing you the current state of my workshop. So when I do the intros and the outros, I'm usually filming with my back towards the pops over there. And then I have my desk just over here, but right now it's quite filled. I haven't cleaned it because I will be soon moving to another room and having a bigger workshop. So till now things have been piling up, but when I start working in the other room, I will start gradually moving things over there and sorting them out. In some projects I also use some discarded pieces like from toys or beer caps or bottle caps, and I keep these in this small cupboard, which doesn't really work for me as this is too much smaller space and I end up having this mess down here. I just need a new system to put all those larger things into new boxes and I can easily label them out, sort them out. So I'll be using a shelving system for the larger stuff and then the smaller ones will have smaller boxes. So basically I'm moving out of my bedroom into this room. I need to measure out this wall because this will be the background of my workshop. I am planning on having supplies over at that end, then the shelves over here, while also hanging up many of my projects on the back of the wall. Then a workbench here and another workbench at the back. In this room I also have my older projects, but I will keep these at this same corner. So now that I have the measurements, I will start inputting them into a website. I'm going to try and use this one, it's called Room Styler, to plan out my workshop. I need some boxes. So now I've started sorting out the different things. So for example here I have a box with sanding bits, larger pieces of junk, Jablo, spray paints over there, Pringles cans. And anyways, I need more boxes like this one. So I created a list and I need about 35 boxes. Yep. So I put my stupid hat on. It's cold outside and let's go. And I'm in the car. I don't know how I'm going to fit all the boxes back there. I have 30. So I found most of what I was looking for. This is the current state of the trolley. I have more boxes down here. And now I have to shove them in the car. I managed to buy most of the boxes, they're over there, but the largest two and one of the small ones, I didn't find them. So I'll go and look for them at another store, maybe tomorrow. But for now I just need to sort out what I've bought and start putting them in the right place. I'm starting off with this pile of small junk and I need to sort them out in these drawers. And as you can see I also have a lot of beads. These will go in the smaller drawers. And then some other junk like earrings and bottle openers. The great thing about these drawers is that they can be stacked on top of each other. And now obviously I have these two tops, so I'm just going to throw them away in the medium-sized junk. I managed to get all of these in their right boxes, and now I'm tired and I don't want to see any more boxes for the rest of the day. But I have to, because guess what? I have these boxes and I have to get rid of them. Oh, and I also have to sort out the remainder of the stuff that I still have no box for, because I didn't find the right size. I just need the largest possible box for these. I have the cover of a fan and literally a piece of fan, so I just need larger boxes to put the stuff in them. I just realized I have stationery as well, those drawers over there, and I have to try them out. It is currently half an hour to midnight and I've stacked up all the boxes on that wall. We have a sort of stairway to heaven over there. And I just need to sort out this stuff, clear it out of the way, and then maybe I can go to sleep. This is the first of two shops where I looked for shelves, but in the first one I couldn't find what I was looking for. Fortunately, in that shop, I found boxes with the right sizes I was looking for. Afterwards I went into another store and I found the right shelves. These are actually the same shelves I saw at the other store, and they were out from the other store, and here they're actually cheaper and they have more, so I can buy two. We have the shelves back there, so we can go home and then start assembling them. Guess who didn't think this through? So I put all the boxes over there, and that's where the shelves need to go. So I have to move all the boxes back over here, and then start building up the shelves. So more work for me. I put some boxes to get an idea if the shelvings are about the right height, and I think these are good. So now I can start bolting in the shelves. So I'm reading the instructions, but they were upside down. And it appears that why they do them with the system I just did, where you clamp the things in place, or else you can use the bolts. So I don't need to put the bolts in, so that means less work for me, and one shelf is already done. I dropped the beads. So to fit the uppermost shelf of the second system, I had to go on a step stool, because I actually can't put 6 on the second one since the shelves are smaller. Well, the areas are smaller, the shelves are the same. And I had to go on a step stool so I can attach the last shelf. So the second shelving system is done. This is the first one, and as you can see there's no top because it doesn't fit, because the boxes are larger. Both shelving systems are installed and all the boxes are in their place. I just need to remove these and I don't know where to put them. But that's it for today, because right now it's 12:38 in the morning and I want to sleep. So it is the next day and I am currently looking for cabinets, because yesterday I didn't find anything. So that space is still empty. And I'm looking for some cabinets online and see if I can find them from other places in Malta, either recycled or new ones, I don't know. So I looked for different stores, and in one of them I found a cabinet with 3 drawers and 2 cupboards. This is a DIY store, so I had to build the cabinet myself. And that is the end of the first video. I'm from the future, so I can tell you that the cabinet will be here. It will be assembled over there, but you will see it in the next video when it comes out in about a week. So until then, you can either watch this video or this video, or you can subscribe. Don't forget also to like and comment, and I'll see you guys next time.